Hello, and this is a quick review of the Logitech Touch Keyboard K400. This is a fantastic keyboard from the get-go. It's very light, very comfortable to use, but bizarrely I find you can use it, you can pick it up in your hands and use it almost like a handheld keyboard rather than something you would put on your lap or desk. The tactile feel of the keyboard is brilliant. I'm a touch typer and I rarely miss a beat. The only thing I don't like is the cursor keys, kind of buried away in the corner, very difficult to kind of find quickly. I always have to look down to find where they are, otherwise I end up missing it. The trackpad itself, in combination with a brilliant innovation of the left mouse button on the top left of the actual keyboard. It's a yellow button, very difficult to miss, and with the combination of my left thumb on that yellow button and my right thumb on the trackpad, I can zoom around a Windows 10 desktop environment very quickly. The range is very good, never had any interference, even tried playing some games on it, but granted, not many games play well with a trackpad, but general browsing, using Plex and YouTube stuff, typing, research and stuff you just want to mess around in your living room. I've even used it for work, a bit of Adobe Lightroom stuff because I'm a photographer. But anyway, I just try to keep these videos short. I highly recommend this keyboard. It's £25 from Amazon UK at the moment, and it's got a very good rating, and I highly recommend it. What do you guys think? What keyboard do you use? Do you play games in your living room? What kind of computer do you have in your living room? Let me know, comments below. And if you got this far, I would like to just say orangutan. That's it for now, guys. See you in the next one.